Welcome back. I just picked up a Galaxy S9 Plus, and I needed a new phone anyway, but I was looking forward to using the it's a 1,000 frame per second camera that comes with it, or it's close to 1,000 frames per second. So I was playing around with that. I thought you might like to see some of the footage I got of the drones and just tinkering around my house. You can see that it needs quite a bit of light to make it work properly. My kitchen lights are on 100% here trying to capture this water. The way it works, it records normal video, and then when it senses motion in a certain portion, then you can slide around a little square that represents where it's looking for motion. Once it sees the motion, it'll do a short, I think it's 0.2 second burst of Slo-Mo. So you can't record consistent and continuous Slo-Mo, only little bursts. Because of the way it works, it can be a little bit challenging to get, especially if you're trying to capture drones with it, it can be a little bit challenging to get the drone to go through the exact little square when you have it set up. Here we have it set up on a tripod, and there we caught it. I left in some of the misses so you can kind of see how common it's going to be to catch it. I was floating around in the front of it a little bit, and I still didn't catch it. In retrospect, I should have done this with some nicer gates. These are looking pretty ratty. In this segment right here, I took one of the captures that it got in super slow-mo, and I slowed it down using Premiere so you could kind of see what it's capturing actually. This is slowed down to 10% of normal speed from the super slow-mo that it's in already. Because of the way that it works, it can be kind of difficult to catch what you want. I'm trying here to get a picture of launching the Chameleon TI. You can see it captures the motion there, and then with the 0.2 seconds of burst, by the time I take off, the burst time is over. I'd like to thank my friend Justin for helping me out. He's behind the camera on all the pictures here today. You can find him at Not Justin FTV. He does some really nice editing with his videos. It's kind of fun to watch. You should check it out. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.